UK Construction Week, and I'm here right now with Mark from Aico, who's one of our main sponsors here today. So I'm really excited to have a chat with you and learn what it is that Aico's been doing. So Mark, thanks for joining me.
No problem, I'm glad to join you today.
Wonderful. So let's start with a bit of an overview of the company then. What is it that you get up to?
Basically Aico, market leader in home life safety, specialise in fire and carbon monoxide detection. Everything's manufactured in our factory in Ireland, and then we've just sort of moved into the connected home solution. So we've moved into IoT devices to sort of monitor environmental conditions within a property.
Oh, that's really interesting, because obviously one of our main sort of topics here at UK Construction Week has been sustainability, and there is so much buzz and talk around it. So this is really exciting.
Yeah, it's been good. So we predominantly work with social landlords, around about 95% market share, and obviously, as you know, lots of social housing landlords have applied for funding, so SHDF Wave 2. So the sensors can be used for part of their bid. So for pre and post monitoring, it's a past 2035 requirement. So yeah, it's been quite a big update in sustainable properties.
Oh, and it's brilliant that you're getting in there now as well. Like you say, market leaders really leading the way. So actually, you're not going to offer it in 2035, it's here now.
Yeah, it's here now, good to go. Like I said, everything's manufactured in Ireland. Our head office is in Oswestry in Shropshire. So yeah, distribution all around the country and everything's off the shelf.
Brilliant. Well, let's go and have a look at some of these products. They're over here. We'll do our best not to trip over. So is this the one you were just talking about, the environmental sensor, temperature and humidity? Brilliant.
Yeah, so we've got two different variants. We've got a 1020, which is a temperature humidity sensor, and we've also got a 1025, which is temperature, humidity and carbon dioxide. So we can measure indoor air quality within a property as well.
Oh, fantastic, because I mean there are some crazy stats out there about indoor air pollution being, what, 2 to 5 times higher than outdoors, so it's great that you can monitor that.
Correct, yeah. So as obviously properties are becoming more thermally efficient, obviously that's got an unintended consequence of poor indoor air quality, as less ventilation essentially, so we can sort of monitor that and the conditions in a property. Everything's connected through a hub, our EI1000G, which is our SmartLink gateway, 2G roaming SIM card with 4G backup, and then a client can manage 100,000 properties at a time remotely.
It's not a small number there at all, is it? All right, let's then go over to you got a new product as well, haven't you? Not just the environmental one, but the multi-sensor?
So, been manufacturing fire and carbon monoxide detectors for quite some time. Sort of celebrated our 30th birthday a few years back, but one of the products we've been waiting for quite some time is our EI3030. So that's basically a 3-in-1 heat, optical smoke detector and carbon monoxide. So if the boiler's ever separate from the kitchen, you can fit that pretty much everywhere within the property.
Oh, brilliant. So it just makes it a little bit more concise for everyone.
Correct, yeah. So that's a mandatory requirement now for carbon monoxide in any rental properties. That was brought in 1st of October last year. So any fuel burning appliance needs to have carbon monoxide protection.
Fantastic. So, I mean, we are here at UK Construction Week then. As we said, you are one of our sponsors. Why is it important then that you are here at events such as this?
I think it's just great for us to network with our clients, existing clients and obviously new business as well. And this has sort of been a great event, lots of new innovative products. So it's just good to showcase what we have to offer.
Amazing. Mark, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Come down, join the team here at Aico and learn more about their wonderful, innovative products that they've got going on. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you. Cheers.